Yes, welcome back to Smart Money, episode 67 out of 122 to Blockchain Freedom. I am in a coffee shop, so there might be a bit of background noise, but let's get started. Yes, the markets today, what's the date? The 14th of November, 2025. Go and have a look at coin market cap. So we can see the markets have dropped quite a lot. Bitcoin's down to 95,000 per coin. Ethereum's a bit down as well. So quite a lot of red, which is fine, right? This is the cycle of the markets. This is why I always talk about, you click on Bitcoin, you talk about dollar cost averaging, where you buy a little bit over a long period of time. Like you can buy £100 a month Bitcoin every month for the next 3 to 5 years. And that takes all the stress out of buying low, selling high. And you can also click on the all-time chart. When Bitcoin was actually listed on CoinMarketCap, we go all the way back into 2011. And can you believe it? The price of one Bitcoin was $9, right? So imagine if you dollar cost average into this token, right? Into this coin. If you just go back 5 years, right? How powerful that would be. Like you go back here, 11,000 for one Bitcoin in 2020 in August. So use that knowledge of dollar cost averaging. You can get a Revolut account here in the UK. It's set a recurring buy for £100 a month for the next 2 to 3 years. And you'll be happy you did. Yeah, put it in your high risk portfolio. Absolutely don't put money in you can't afford to lose. But the potential is there. Just have a look at the trends over the last 3 to 5 years to dollar cost average. And then I'm going to have a look at this coin here called Pertum. Today it's sitting at 49 cents. And as I mentioned, it's the 14th of November 2025. This project I love. Okay. Why am I saying that? Well, it's got a similar model to Bitcoin. It's got a halving model. And every 4 years, that gets released to the miners. Yes, we've got our own miners that mine the token. It's got a max supply of 2.1 billion. We also got a burning model when there's transactions on the blockchain. And it's also fast. You can actually come down and scroll down and actually have a look at what a Pertum is, and you can have a look here that we are a general layer 1 blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem. And this is important, right? It's there to deliver high performance, like company wants that. Scalability is very important when you grow, and then long-term sustainability, and also EVM compatible, meaning developers who want to easily develop smart contracts on a decentralized platform. And a Pertum could be the blockchain for you, right? And also, we're very new. We only really launched our coin on the DEX on the 19th of February this year. So we're like 8 months old. We support ultra-fast transactions, as you can see here, over 4,500 transactions per second, outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, and others. And the most important thing is our community is growing, right? Because we've already got over 50,000 active on-chain members. So a lot of scope for this project. Yes, put it in your high-risk portfolio. But my recommendation would be dollar cost average into this coin for the next 3 to 5 years. Okay? Put it on your high-risk portfolio. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. But look at that price. 49 cents. Right? Where's it going to be in the next 3 to 5 years? We've got a fixed supply. We got a burning model. We got a halving model. We faster than Ethereum. We are cheap to use as well. Our gas fees are very, very cheap. So it is a project to look at. And also what you can do is we got a dApp that actually runs on the Pertum blockchain, and it's called DAO1. And here you can actually buy products that actually dollar cost average on automatic for you to accumulate more of these coins on automatic, right? So you can simply register a DAO1 account, have a look at the links below, and let's have a look at the membership tier product for $1,000. So we can click view details. And this is absolutely wonderful. You've got a smart trader bot that you can add in $1,000 capital, and you can actually see the rewards over a year contract, because you can click on how it works in the terms and conditions here. Here you can see it's a 12-month contract, exploration, and start accumulating these Apertum tokens. And as you can see, the estimated reward, 3,658. And you can also choose your pair that you want to go into. I like the Apertum and a stable coin, because I prefer not to create two volatile coins, right? So that would be my choice, but you can choose whatever is best for you. So this is an awesome product on automatic, buying low, selling high, and accumulating the Apertum token on automatic. Then you've got something very cool. How cool would it be if you could stake these coins in a wallet, right, and earn rewards? Okay, this is also fantastic. You can stake the Apertum coin for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. And as you can see, the rewards here are crazy, right? The potential. Okay, you can see 1 year, you can see your rewards, 2 years, you can see your rewards. It is a potential. Yes, put it in your high risk portfolio. There are no guarantees, but the potential is there. So have a look at these products. Also, if you're familiar with liquidity pools, we also have a liquidity pool that you can add into. You can go to our DEX, which is a decentralized exchange where you got the power and there's no third parties. You can put in liquidity at any time, take it out at any time, and the rewards are very good. Let's have a look at the current rewards. Let's just see when this refreshes, and I can show you what the current interest rate is. There's an annual interest rate. We're going to look at the Apertum and USDT pair, and then we can actually have a look what the interest rate is. So you actually share a portion in this pool, right? So at the moment, it's sitting at 17% per annum, which is pretty cool. I've seen it as high as 100%. I've seen it as low as 6%, on average between 20 and 30%. So you can add capital into this pool. So there's 3 things really you can do, right? Get yourself a product. You get 2 in 1. Get trading, accumulate the coin, stake the coin, hold it for 1, 2, 3 years, and then you can also add to the liquidity pool and tap into that interest rate. And then don't forget about the price potential increase in the next 1, 2, 3 to 5 years. It's a real strong project. So hope you got value. We'll speak soon, and we'll be another video tomorrow for 68, I believe. Bye-bye. Thank you.